Here is a recipe of bag omelette. It's a complete diet. You can eat it without rice or bread. Bag omelette. Ingredients are 3 eggs, 4 cherry tomatoes, small size, 1/8 cabbage thinly sliced, 2 slices chicken, cut it into small pieces, 6 basil leaves. Instead of this, you can take mint also. 30 grams shredded cheese, 2 mushrooms, it's optional, 2 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Recipe: cut cherry tomatoes and chicken into 1 centimeter cube like this, and then tear basil leaves into small pieces by hand. Slice mushroom thinly. If you want to add mushroom, it's okay. If you don't have mushroom, then no matter. Place cabbage and salt into a plastic bag and massage to soften the cabbage. Dump the rest of the ingredients into the bag and mix well with your hands. Making sure to get rid of the air inside, close the bag tightly. Boil some water in a saucepan. Place the bag inside and boil for 6 minutes. It's some boiling water in a pan and then add the bag. Turn over and continue boiling to make sure that the egg has thoroughly cooked. Open the bag and slice the omelette onto a plate. Serve with tomato sauce if desired. Without bread or without rice, you can eat it. It's very yummy and tasty. If you want to add more ketchup, then it's up to you.